Current Affairs. Today's headlines, October 18, 2022. India. India has the largest number of poor people worldwide, 228.9 million, followed by Nigeria, 96.7 million, UN. Justice Di Chandrachud, appointed 50th Chief Justice of India, will retire on November 10, 2024. Economy and Corporate. PM inaugurates PM Kisan Samman Sammelan 2022 at Indian Agricultural Research Institute in New Delhi. PM inaugurates 600 Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samruddhi Kendras to retail agri-inputs. PM launches Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana 1 Nation 1 fertilizer. PM launches Bharat urea bags to enable companies market fertilizers under the single brand name, Bharat. PM launches Indian Edge, an e-magazine on fertilizers. India's sugar output to be higher at 36.5 million tons in 2022-23 marketing season, ISMA. World International Day for the Eradication of Poverty observed on October 17. Theme: Dignity for All in Practice. World Trauma Day observed on October 17. Mutual funds are versatile investment products for people who want their savings to grow.